When many customers look for a PCBA manufacturer, they usually ask one question: do you provide testing? But actually, a better question should be, which testing solution is right for my product? Because flying probe testing, ICT testing, and FCT functional testing are not methods you can choose randomly. When used correctly, they can help detect risks early. When used incorrectly, they may only increase costs without truly solving the problem. In this video, we will explain clearly how flying probe testing, ICT, and FCT should be properly combined in PCBA manufacturing. First, let's talk about flying probe testing. Its biggest advantage is this: it does not require a dedicated test fixture, making it suitable for prototypes, small batches, and high-mix orders. For example, when a customer is still in the prototyping stage and the product design is still being updated. Making an ICT fixture right away can be costly and not flexible enough. Flying probe testing can quickly check for open circuits, short circuits, resistors, capacitors, diodes, and other basic electrical issues. So, flying probe testing is more like an early-stage risk screener. When the product design becomes stable and the order moves into mass production, ICT testing becomes necessary. The advantage of ICT is that it offers fast testing speed and high coverage, making it suitable for high-volume PCBA production. It can quickly check whether components are incorrectly placed or missing, solder joints are abnormal, and whether the circuit has shorts or open connections. Simply put, flying probe testing is suitable for flexible inspection, while ICT is suitable for fast batch testing. But checking only the electrical connections is not enough. What customers really care about is this: after this PCBA is installed into the final device, can it actually work properly? This is where FCT functional testing is needed. FCT simulates the real operating conditions of the product, such as power on buttons, screen display, communication, signal input and output, and more. It does not only verify whether the board is soldered correctly. More importantly, it verifies whether the PCBA can truly perform the functions required by the customer. So, flying probe testing, ICT, and FCT do not replace each other. They solve different problems at different stages. In the prototyping stage, use flying probe testing to quickly identify basic electrical risks. In the mass production stage, use ICT to improve testing efficiency and production stability. Before shipment, use FCT to confirm that the product functions are truly reliable. Reliable PCBA manufacturing is not just about telling customers we have testing equipment. It is about telling them at each stage of your product which testing solution is the right one. Because for customers, the value of a PCBA is not only that it has been soldered and tested. More importantly, after it is delivered, it should operate stably, reduce rework, and lower after-sales risks. This is the real meaning of properly applying flying probe testing, ICT, and FCT.